Getting Sivran, in today's video I will show you how to find template in Instagram. Before you get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, open up Instagram app, then swipe to find right and select reel. Now the easiest way to find a template in just stop it, the gallery icon, and it will show you templates option at the top of the screen. If we dominate, we'll be able to see search for different templates right here. We can see the preview for the particular template, and then if we would like to use one, we can just tap on it. It allows us to download multiple clips such as photos and videos. We all have to do is just tap at media, and then we just need to choose up to the number of media file, just like that. So we can just select photos or videos simply by check marking them. In that way, once we are done with that, to continue we need to tap at right arrow, and then it will show up the preview of your reel that has been generated from the template we have selected. Once we are done with that, we need to tap next. That's how you can easily find and use template in Instagram. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.